Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this UGC Valet review. We are going to be taking a close look at the software, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I've carefully put together to get you the best results with UGC Valet. And it goes live on the 13th of February by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This is another brilliant one from Joshua Zamora. So I am live in the dashboard, and in a nutshell, this allows you, UGC Valet, the software allows you to generate spokesperson videos without you really being the person speaking. So you're going to get access to a set of actors. For example, now if you go to videos, it's very easy and straightforward to use. As a matter of fact, even if you have zero experience with creating this type of content, you are still going to be able to use UGC Valet without any issues at all. One of the videos I've created, because when you are done creating your videos, you can select your actors, you can give them exactly what you want them to say. Let me just quickly show you an example of video that I've just created using the software. I basically just copied text, just copied text, and then I just came here. I came to the software to come and use it to create it, obviously, and then just look at it.
Being used by brands of all types on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to skyrocket their traffic, leads, and profit for their physical products, digital products, services, affiliate products, and more.
So this is an actor that I've selected in order to start creating your content. Click on the plus sign, then you have options, to create the type of video. Let's just say single this time around. Then you can select your actor. You have different actors right here. Let's say this one, for example. Now you selected, just go ahead, click on continue. This is a lady, so I'm going to look for a female voice over or voice artist, and then select that. I think you can get a preview here as well.
Thanks for listening. I am one of the voices you can use for this actor. Does this suit your needs, or would you rather use a different one?
Oh, thank you, Aria. I just selected that one. I'm going to click on continue, and then you can basically, copy text you want and, paste it there. So I'm going to copy this one, copy. And then I'm going to paste it here. This can basically be any text that you want. And then I'm going to click on continue as well. You can add subtitles if you want. So, demo, that's the title of my project now. Demo by Akin. Definitely you can customize your subtitles here. You can outline size, you can increase the outline size, you can change the outline color, you can change the font color itself, which is cool. So many things. You can change the font, font type, and then you can click on preview, and then it's actually going to show you a preview of your you can see that. I think the outline is a bit too much right there. Let me click on preview again. Okay, I think that looks not too bad. So I'm just going to click on continue, and then I'm going to click on create video. Obviously it's going to take a while. It doesn't take too long. It's going to take maybe a few minutes or thereabout, and then you are going to be able to create your own video. Now I'm going to come back to this. We're going to see what we just created shortly. Well, while the video is getting created, I'm going to run you through the custom bonuses that I've also put together with UGC Valet. so you can get the best out of this. So you're going to be getting access to 50,000 plus chat GPT prompts. That's my bonuses. That's number one. You're also going to be getting access to 10,000 plus responsive themes, WordPress themes, and plugins that you can use. You have Shopify themes. You'll get access to HTML templates, that you can basically use for any project. Also, you are getting access to 5,000 plus. These are high quality professional social media templates that you can use for, to easily get people's attention on Facebook, Instagram. You can customize this with free Canva, or if you are able to use Photoshop, you can also customize them in Photoshop, whichever one you want. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting access to Commission Loader. This is a self-updating traffic websites, and also gives you access to some done-for-you custom affiliate marketing funnels. So you are going to be getting access to free traffic, and you are going to be getting access to campaigns that allow you to just add your affiliate links, which is cool. And also, you're going to be getting access to the traffic pull software. This allows you to create high converting bonus pages, just like this one that you are looking at right now. You are getting access to done for you bonuses in there, done for you graphics, and also it supplies you free traffic from the inbuilt traffic rotator, because your campaigns, once created, just get pushed to the dashboard, where practically, a ton of people are going to be able to see your campaigns. Also, you are going to be getting access to training that shows you how to do email marketing from inside of your WordPress. So you don't have to pay monthly fees to autoresponder services like Aweber, like GetResponse anymore. If you have a WordPress website, you will be able to use it for your email marketing. And also a ton of other high quality bonuses here, how to create your website. You also get opportunity to get my own software, including all the upgrades, so you can basically launch this as yours, customize this, give it your own name, and of course keep 100% of the profits there. And of course, you get access to all the vendor bonuses. Now, the vendor bonuses are going to be in the members area, but my own bonuses are going to be in the members area of JVZoo. So if you log into JVZoo, you can go to your purchases, and then you will be able to find UGC Valet and my bonuses. So to get to the sales page, all you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this page. It's going to take you to the sales page of UGC Valet, where you're going to be able to pick it up. Finally, AI creates unique spokesperson and UGC videos. UGC simply means user generated content, with real human actors that convert so well on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, that clients pay $500 to $1,000 per video. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get more information about UGC Valet. Once this goes live, 13th of February by 11 a.m. Eastern time. This is a very valuable one. So let's check if our video has been created, and then of course our video has been created. Now
Customize your video to maximize engagement and conversions. Add emotions to specific words. Adjust subtitles with your preferred font style, size, and colors, and make your videos stand out with precision.
guys, what else could you possibly want? So I'm not going to make this very long. You are going to find the link to my bonus page, this one right below this video. Thank you so much for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.